We got an update. The inside is completely torn. I did get the dash off. The whole reasoning for that was there's a bolt down here that you can't get to when the dash is on. And I wanted to get all the airbags out just to not have them in there. And then once I got the airbags out and the sunroof stuff out, well, the sunroof's not out, but I'm planning to get rid of the cassette. I realized I didn't need any of these wires that went to the roof. So I'm spending some time trimming out the wires. I don't want wires that aren't necessary. So there's like parking sensors that this car doesn't have, and I took out the airbag, so I'm taking out all the airbag wiring and the sunroof wiring. With the dash out, I have come to realize that this car looks pretty good with this gray blue color, and the only thing that makes this car not look that great is this tan. So while I have the dash out, I am planning on flocking it. I got a flock kit for it coming in the mail, but while the dash is out, I'm going to do some modifications. Normally people will fill cracks. If there's cracks in your dash, they'll fill them and then do body work and then flock over it. For me, I just want to remove the center console for the shifter. I've marked here where I want to cut it, and I marked it on the other side where we want to cut it, and I think that will give us a nice clean line. This is the last bit of the beige. I thought it was like a beige plastic, but it looks like they painted it on. So what I'm going to do is get this whole thing prepped, and then we are going to flock it. So for now, got the lines cut or drawn. I tried cutting them with the cutoff wheel, but it got kind of hot and melted the plastic. It smelled funny. So I'm going to try a sawzall here on one of the area that I'm not keeping. Whatever tool cuts the best, we're going to use. Chop this off. I kind of broke off, didn't really cut. That's pretty close to the line. This is pretty close to the line. So now I'm going to take a flap disc. So you can feel a couple imperfections that I cut, but this will be mostly by your legs. You're not really gonna be seeing this. And then with the flap wheel, it cut the foam smooth. So instead of being jagged here from the sawzall blades, it'll be nice and smooth here, which I think will accept the paint and the flock much easier. Now we're just gonna go and I think I'll smooth this part out a little bit. Maybe, nope, I'm not even gonna do that. I'm just gonna get this part done on here, basically file that down a little bit, just smooth this part, don't go too deep, and then smooth down here at the end, cut that down a little bit. Here it goes. Okay, I think I like it. I think we're gonna be good to go. The time has come.
Hi.
The box is here. What's this? The mini flocker. And because Chell said she was going to help me, I got 2 of them. So we could flock twice as fast. We put on gloves so that we don't get any of our oil from our hands on the product. Now we go to work on the dash. Alright, so it is clean. You can see the acetone ate away some of the tan paint and it looks like it's starting to get dirty, but it's just really the acetone eating through it. Down here was kind of dirty, but there's some marks probably from the driver's knee and the 200,000 mile journey this car has had. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is get all the flocking stuff ready. We're ready for the fun stuff.
Once we put the glue on, how long do we have to flock it?
So we have a 15-minute window.
Before it's dry, okay.
Before it becomes dry enough that these fibers won't sit on it.
Okay.
So yeah. Almost ready. We're gonna put the airbag panel in now that we have it cleaned. Clips up top, so it have to start on the bottom.
Oh yeah, there you go. Gonna need this yerba mate.
So these little trays hold the paint for us. This is the paint color match to this blue. So we're gonna take this urethane, put it in here, and then we're each gonna sit down and roll the entire dash. We're going to preload the flockers so that painting section is done. We just immediately grab these things and start going. And this should be the last time we see this dash with this disgusting color combination.
You only get one shot.
We do. Well, I think
One opportunity. Oh my
over-prepared.
gosh, it is blue, blue, blue. Here we are with the final result. Semi-final.